If your Nest thermostat keeps saying offline, but your other devices work fine, you're not alone. Here's how to get your thermostat back online fast. First, double-check your Wi-Fi. Make sure your internet is working by testing another device like your phone or laptop. If your Wi-Fi is down, restart your router and modem. Just unplug them. Wait a minute, then plug them back in. Next, head to your Nest thermostat. Press the ring to open the menu. Scroll to Settings, then tap on Network. If your home Wi-Fi isn't listed, select Add Network and enter your password carefully. Still not connecting? Try restarting your thermostat. Press the ring, go to Settings, then Reset, and choose Restart. This doesn't erase your settings. It just gives your device a fresh start. If that doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. If your thermostat is far from your router, try moving the router closer, or use a Wi-Fi extender. And finally, make sure your thermostat software is up to date. Updates can fix lots of connection bugs. That's it. Your Nest thermostat should be back online. If you're still having trouble, contact Google support. Thanks for watching and enjoy your comfortable home.